Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Santiago Lefebvre from Harrison, an Atlassian solution partner since 2005, and your go-to team for all things Atlassian. Today, we're tackling a significant challenge, developer friction. With microservices, DevOps, AI, security, and governance, developers spend less time coding and more time managing complexity. That's where Atlassian Compass comes in. A game-changing platform that centralizes knowledge, automates governance, and streamlines collaboration so engineers can focus on what matters. I'll explain how Compass integrates with Bitbucket, Jira, and JSM to simplify your software development lifecycle. Let's dive in. Compass is a developer experience platform created by Atlassian that helps engineering teams organize, visualize, and optimize their software development process. It acts as a centralized catalog for all your software components, services, and dependencies, providing a single source of truth for your engineering ecosystem. Right now, I'm a developer that needs all things centralized and to see what's the activity that is needed for this project. This project is for mobile payments. I can show you right now the components. This is the component catalog, a unified view for all your software components, services, and microservices. I'll open the one that I have created, mobile module payments. And as you can see, I can put my theme, the channels that I need, is connected to the repository that is connected to Bitbucket. The projects, one software project from Jira and one service project from JSM. Here we have the activity feed. We have some metrics, for example, recent incidents, pull request cycle time, developer time, open pull request, and open bugs. I will show you a whole flow through Jira, Compass, JSM, and Bitbucket. Let's start. Here, I'm in the software project, and I will create a new one, a new issue that is clone repository from Bitbucket. Let's create. Let's view our issue that we have already created. And as you can see here, in the development tab, we can create a branch or create a commit. Right now, I want to create a branch. This branch is created automatically on Bitbucket. The name is the same as the issue that we have already created. Let's create. And this is the one, the branch. Let's create a new commit. I will change this. And let's add the bucket password. Commit. If we go back to our Jira, we can refresh, and it will show us the new branch that we have created for this issue. Now let's create a pull request from our branch to the main one. Now let's go back to our Compass. We refresh. We will see that we have already one pull request open here. Open pull request. And it shows us the date, the time that these open pull requests are created. Okay, now let's do a merge. Merge. And let's wait for the new pipeline to be created and deploy it to the staging environment. So we can see that on our activity feed. Until that, let me show you what the activity feed is. We can track real-time changes, deployments, and incidents to stay informed about our system activity. As you can see, we have other events, a commit on the branch main line. We're waiting for the production. The deployment on production is already done. And on our activity feed, we can click and it will take us to what environments it was deployed. Let's go back to our pod, to a pipeline, and let's see how it's done. Once the deploying to stage is done, let's deploy to production. As you can see, the production doesn't have any deployments. Let's deploy it. And let's wait for it. Once it's deployed, it will show us here on our activity feed. Until that is done, let me show you how dependencies work here on Compass. The dependencies are relationships between your software components, services, or systems. These dependencies define how components interact with or rely on each other to function correctly. Compass provides tools to visualize, track, and manage these dependencies, helping teams understand the impact of changes, identify potential risks, and maintain system reliability. So let's see, we have here as a list and as a map, we can see how this component of ours depends on mobile API and mobile primary. This tab shows us the issues that is connected to the Jira software instance. For this to show us, we need to go to our Jira and let's select the component that we need to be connected. This is the component. And in a few minutes, it will reflect here that this component have these issues. This is the one that we have created and linked to this component. Let's see how it's going and let's go back to our activity. And in production, we can see that deployment is already successful and in staging as well. Now, let's go back and let's open our service project. Here we can see the incidents that comes in and all the issues that comes from our portal. Let's open our portal. I have a problem with this app, so I need some assistance. Common request assistance problem, and then I cannot see now. There, I will copy or paste it. Let's say the affected services mobile, which is critical and external. That's set. Okay, this issue was created from our portal. Let's open to view as an agent. As you can see, this is the system. This is the system. Here we have the affected services, but I know from an agent view that this is not the one that we want. We want mobile payments. This one, that's the set. We can see from clicking here that we have already 6 open incidents. You can see all the incidents related to this component. And from here, we can see the dependencies that we have on our Jira. As you can see here, for example, mobile payments, mobile primary, mobile currency. Let's change it to work in progress. Let's assign to me. Okay, now let's go back to our Compass. We can see all the activity from here. And let's wait. We have to wait a few times so we can see all the incidents that were created related to this. Also, it will reflect here the recent incidents. In fact, it already shows that we have created today a new incident. Let me show you how alerts works here. I have created an alert, and the Santiago Lafebre and Luis Loaiza are the responders here. We have also the events. We have the open incident that is created already on our activity feed, and if we click that, it will take us directly to the incident, so that people can work on it. The alert is related to the team and the operations. For example, if we go to our operations and we click on system engineering, we can see what's the schedule for this alert, who's on call, and the reports that we need. We can create new teams and invite people. For example, we can see here the components linked to this team. A team can have several components. And we can see also the activity. If we go back, we can see all the activity, the alerts, the deployments related to this. If we don't have any pull request open, it will show us 0. So, to wrap up this video, Compass is a game changer for engineering teams. Whatever you're managing microservices or a small project, it helps streamline workflows, improve visibility, and reduce complexity. Integrating with Bitbucket, Jira, and JSM provides a unified platform that tracks dependencies, monitors system health, and enhances collaboration so you can deliver value faster. At Gerson, We're here to help you get started. Contact us to learn more about any feature or schedule a custom demo for your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.